Night and Day by John Shannon in 60 by 84 cm rounds, special treatment version 1. Starts with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled in the sky. So focus on the widest areas of the sky, and this would be in the middle, right here in the middle of the circle. So that is the daytime. So sprinkle it in those clouds and you will get this effect. Night and Day by John Shannon in 60 by 84 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have placed outside of the circle. So this represents the night. So place it in the dark blue areas surrounding the circle, and this gives you that glistening evening sky feel. Night and Day by John Shannon in 60 by 84 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds moonlight crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the brown areas that represent the trees and the roots in this painting. So we've got some that we've sprinkled over here, so you can follow the lightest color and sprinkle your moonlight crystals in those areas. That way it gives the effect of having moonlight cast on the trees, and also the tree moon, which is right over here in the circle. So you can choose to use as little or all of the special beads that you get with your size of canvas for this version 3 special treatment. Once again, for version 3 of Night and Day by John Shannon, we have electric diamonds for the middle, sapphire diamonds for the dark blue areas that represents the sky, and finally we have moonlight crystals that we have placed on the brown areas.